Morning. Okay, we're setting up to have a long trade to start. Well, maybe not. But probably not right at the very start, but soon. We have sour gummy worm rain flavor today. Okay. Breaking above our 80 level, so we're probably going to take a trade here. At the post. Okay, we're in. Alright, let's just blast up. Good short trades. Come on. There we go. Awesome. Alright. Now we got our... Oh. Well, we had our runner. Moved our stop loss to break even on the runner, but got taken out pretty quick. But we're up for the day, so that's good. Hmm. So we are just waiting for this to pull back below the 80 level and for it to go back above, and we'll look at going long again. So yesterday we had taken some trades kind of moving up toward the top, this tippy top here. I wonder if we're going to get some more opportunities. Well, I'm sure we'll get some more trade opportunities today, but I wonder if we're going to continue this pattern and, you know, make some higher highs today. But we're certainly maybe yeah, so we're back below our 80 levels, so now we're just looking for it to go back above, and we'll go ahead and take a buy. Yeah, we reacted to this level right here. And it looks like we're reacting to our 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. Ah, this is interesting. If we actually break below this 20 level here, I think that would actually be better than waiting for this to go make its way all the way back up to the 80. Okay, we could be getting close to buy here. Yeah, we've been kind of just stuck in the middle here. But this could very well get high enough to where we're taking a trade. So make sure our trade's queued up. Okay, doesn't look like on this candle. Okay, maybe on this one. Maybe not. Let's see how we react to this 50 moving average. Oh, jeez. Okay, we broke below our 20 level, so if we start going back up, if we start pointing back up here, and Ooh, well, this is bending too, so two things have to happen. So this has to get back up to this maxed level here, and this has to point up all at the same time, which is possible. So basically, if this ends up pointing up, we'll hop in. Has to make a decent move toward the upside, though. Okay, no, not yet. Got two red folders at 8 o'clock. Well, around 8 o'clock. One at 8 and around 8. Unless we really start bouncing off of this, we're not going to be getting a long trade for a while, I don't think. Okay, got some news happening right now. We posted pointing down here, so we are going to be waiting for this to start making its way back up before we're looking to take another trade here. So we have a minute. Don't you just love it when Facebook brings up memories? I'll show you this. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but so I compete in strongman, and 2 years ago I was in a competition where they had a Conan's wheel, and yeah, about 1/4 of the way around, I literally just passed out. So here's let's see. Oh well, hold on. Let me actually make this camera better. Yeah, we don't want this one. Let's see. Hang on. Don't mind me, just, you know. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see that. There you go. A little bit blurry, that's alright. And splat. That was fun. Alright, so most likely scenario that we're waiting for, this starts going back up, and or this actually starts bending down and we could look at taking trades to the downside. I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's a lot more likely that this reverses and we take a buy. And even if we don't get any more looks today, we still had our good trade, so we're happy about that. I need to do some more testing on trading this strategy on the NASDAQ, because I think there is some opportunity to basically take double the trades that we're taking right now. Higher volume of trades with the same win rate and similar results. So, and what's nice about the NASDAQ that's similar to gold is you don't have to buy 1 million lots or trade 1 million lots to get the sort of trades that we're wanting, so we don't have to pay a butt ton in commissions. This trade plan actually does work on other pairs, and we would be trading those other pairs, but the hard part with trading other pairs is you have to trade a lot more lots to get the same same profits, same risk reward, whatever. Yeah, our profits just get eaten up by commissions. So either we need to look at a prop firm or a broker that doesn't have commissions, but there are typically downsides to not paying commissions where you're going to have larger spreads. So some stuff that we need to look at. But for now, we know that gold works. So we're just gonna trade gold, and we'll do some more research on the NASDAQ. You know, I am actually looking at another prop firm. So this is a challenge through Prop 365, and this was really nice because it was super cheap. I think, so we have two challenges that we got running right now, one for $5,000, another for $10,000. This is our $5,000 that we're looking at right now. But yeah, I think we paid like $9 for the $5,000 challenge. They had a really good promo going, and then like, what was it? Like 20 something? Maybe like $28 for the 10,000? $28, $29. So, yeah, I mean, at that point, why not? Yeah, I'm looking at really eyeing some challenges at Quant Tekel. I don't know if I said that right, but a prop firm where it's two-phase 7% on the first, 5% on the second, which is really good. Usually it's 8 and 5, which even that's pretty good. I think the standard is like 10 and 5. So 7 and 5 is really good. They don't have a consistency rule, and they don't have a maximum loss per trade rule, which is really nice because with the way our risk management is, we lose just over 3% per trade. So as long as our maximum daily loss rule is 4 or above, then we're fine, because if we lose a trade, then we just stop trading for the day. But it would really be annoying if we had to adjust it so that we lost 2% per trade. Oh man, this is unfortunate. I do have to run to use a little boy's room, and I'm really hoping we don't lose a trade, so I'll be right back. All right, we didn't miss nothing. Yeah, we were actually keeping an eye on the stream, making sure we weren't missing nothing. We weren't missing anything. Yeah, so we're just waiting for this to pop up. Up. Dup, 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 dup.
Cake or steak?
Yeah, we're definitely reacting off of our 50 moving average here. man. Muted my mic just in time for that enormous sneeze. You guys don't want anything to do with that. That was a genuine dad sneeze. La la la. Alright, we are actually getting some wigglies going here, so we gotta be ready to take a trade. If this is up and we start going up here, this is max. To the upside here, we are going long. Let's go! Alright, here we go. It's happening! It's happening! Okay, we got our pending. Okay, we're in. We're so in. Okay, perfect. I actually really, really like this entry. So we're having a dagger. Dagger pattern forming here. We're kind of at the bottom of this level here, this 50 moving average, which it seems to be reacting with quite a bit. And yeah, we've bounced off of this level here on our 4-hour chart, and I think just the overall sentiment is we are gonna want to continue to move up and make new highs here. This has been a very strong pattern, strong uptrend on the 4-hour, so we should be at the bottom of that channel. Got a really good entry, so we wanted to hop in right at the close of this candle, and our entries are both right there. So here we go. Here we go. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Okay, we just moved our stop loss on our second leg to 10 ticks above our entry. And we're going to be looking for a runner. Let's see if this runner runs. But we are 2 successful trades in. Anything we make more on this is just going to be candy. Now, something that could actually happen. If we get stopped out really quick, there's actually a second buy entry opportunity. If we look at our... So right here, if we get closed before we close above... If we get closed out before we close above our 80 level, that's actually another buy entry. So it is possible we get 2 extra trades. I would rather that this runner just run, as opposed to getting that second trade. But yeah, we broke through this level here. And hopefully... Gracious. Okay, so we got to be on our toes right now. Okay, so we're going to get another buy entry, kind of like I was saying earlier. Yeah, just like I was saying, so we're going to close above this level now, which is another buy entry. So we're retesting this as support now. So yeah, we're going to be hopping in here. 3, 2... Okay, so our order is pending. So we'll have to make our way down here again to get this order to get this order filled. Yeah, it looks like we could have if we were just faster, but yeah, darn it. It's unfortunate that we didn't get filled there. Man, there's just, yeah, we don't want to. Yeah, we're gonna close these pending orders out. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I really wish there was a way to execute trades on Trade Locker where you just set, just one click trade, a limit buy or a limit sell just right where the price is currently, not where the market price is. There's a few features I would really like Trade Locker to add, but that's okay. So we are happy with the 2 trades we got. It's unfortunate that we weren't able to get filled on that 3rd trade, but we are up just under 1% today. And who knows, we might get another opportunity to hop in here. But yeah, this is unfortunate. We were looking to get filled right here, and now price is all the way up here. Oh well. Can't complain. Yeah. It would. Here's what would be ideal if Trade Locker had a feature where we could. Because with my trade strategy, there's 2 legs. So there's the trade with the normal stop loss and the take profit, and then there's a second trade that has the same stop loss but has no take profit, and we're looking for a runner. So once we hit our take profit on that first leg, then we move our stop loss to break even and hope that the runner really runs. Ah, man, and this would have been a good one. Yeah. Anyway, so unfortunately we weren't able to hop in on that one. But if Trade Locker just had a feature where I could just do this all in one trade and not have to do 2 separate trades, and have a take profit level where it would just automatically sell half, that would be great. There is a way that we can manually close portions of a trade out, but there doesn't seem to be a way where you can automate closing half of your position at a level, which would be so nice. I don't know, does Trade Locker have a suggestion box? I mean, they're relatively new platform and new company. I think they're always doing updates and whatnot pretty often, so it'd be a nice feature. Oh man, how much would we be up? Let's see, so we wanted to get filled right here. We're up over 300 ticks. Ugh. I mean, just that one trade, we'd be up 120, so almost 1.5%. Gosh. Oh well. Yeah, can't be upset about not making as much money. Yes, we can, and we are. But yeah, 2 things: being able to set a level at close half of your position, and just to be able to one-click trade a limit order just where the price currently is, and not a market Does that make sense? But yeah, especially, see, that's the thing. If we had that option, we would have gotten filled here. Because, so this is the candle that we took our trade on. And it did go down a little bit. So if we had been, you know, on time with clicking to make that trade, it went down enough to where it would have been filled. But instead, I mean, here's what we have to do. I'll actually show you. So we make sure that our parameters are set for our stop loss and take profit. Switch this to pending. And then we have this thing that we have to drag around. So basically what we do is we waited for this to close. And then we have to adjust this to be right at the top of this candle. Then we have to push buy. And then we have a whole nother trade that we have to do. Luckily, when we push limit on our thing over here, it'll automatically bring this up where it was previously. So all we have to do is just push limit and then buy again. But it takes some time, and this is the second time we've lost. We haven't been filled on a trade because of that, just because it takes a lot longer. Man! Oh, we'd be... I'm really annoyed we missed this trade now because it is going. This is the move we were looking for. Oh, man. Yeah, just this one leg alone would be up. 2%. So basically we'd be doubling what we've made today. Gosh dang. Oh, we needed this trade. We needed it. Yeah, we'd be up 3% today instead of just under 1. I really want to submit a ticket to see if that's something that they can add. That would just make executing trades so much easier. Yeah, I mean, there's potential that this could just go all the way up to this level here. Yeah, we'd be up well over 2% just in this one trade. unfortunate, man. Let's see, is there a place I can...
Hey.
Had a phone call. Oh, man. Really quite annoyed. Yeah, we'd be up 3% for the day as opposed to just under 1. Feedback. Ah, here we go. Submit feedback. No, I don't want to just say how likely I'd be to recommend other people. I want to actually submit actual feedback like, hey, you gotta fix this. Or add this, feature. That is... Yeah, it's probably unlikely we get another trade set up. Ah, man. Ooh, another thing that would be really nice for Trade Locker to do is just to have like preset trades, like trade templates. Because like my trade looks the exact same every single time. So if I could just have a template of trades where I could just select it and then push buy or sell, oh, that would just, it would make executing trades so much easier. I wouldn't run into issues where we just ran into just now, where we aren't able to execute the best opportunity of the day. Yeah. Yeah, and we would actually still be in that trade too. We'd be waiting for this to start bending down to close it out. I'm a little bugged. We'd be just about breaking even, recouping losses. I mean, I'm glad that we're up, that we have a green day today, but when you're up just under 1%, when you could be up over 3%. I've played around with Ninja Trader several years ago, and they had a feature that where you could have templates like that. It was pretty nice. But I think Ninja Trader just is just futures. Does Green Chart have futures? I don't think so. Yes. No. This trade would still be going. Let's see. 460. Yeah, we'd be up well over 3% for the day. I mean, oop. Just click the Discord page. I wonder if I'd be able to submit feedback there. Am I not already logged in on Discord? Oh, I guess not. No. Desktop app? I do have a desktop app. Oh. Okay, let's see. Banter. I'm just on this trade locker Discord, just checking it out. Yeah, we'd still, I mean, it's a little bit stuck right here, but we're still, yeah, we'd still be up. Trading floor, what is that? The heck? I am not super familiar with Discord. Don't really use it for a whole lot. Yeah. Alright, so this is the candle we'd be closing on. It's starting to bend down here. Right at the 9 o'clock post. Alright, so we would have been up. Alright, so we'd be right at about 3%. Yeah, look at that. We missed all of that. Just because we couldn't execute our trade fast enough. Alright, well. Gosh dang. Well, anyway, we do have a few good trades today, so we can't be too peeved. So just a recap. So we took took 2 buys today. Where's the first one? Oh, there it is. Okay. So first buy was right here. Hit our first leg, got stopped out on our runner. Second trade was right here. Same thing. Got hit our first leg, got stopped out on a runner, and we actually we tried taking a buy right here, where we would have been able to get all the way from here to here, and that would have been yeah, it would have been over 2% in addition to what we're at now. So we would have been up 3% overall for the day, but we're up just under 1. So I mean, we're happy with our green day, but we're a little not thrilled that we weren't able to execute that trade fast enough in order to get filled. So we're going to see if we can contact Trade Locker to see if that's a feature that they could work on adding, because that would be primo. Just make life so much easier. Being able to set a level to sell half of your position, or to close half of your position. Be able to one-click trade limit orders just where the price currently is. And there's one more. Oh yeah, and setting up templates. That one isn't like as necessary, I feel like, but it would be nice. Okay, well, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you tomorrow.